first, I need you to verify that this is you. What is your last name?
McClure.
And first name?
Cassandra.
And so here they don't have your birthday, but we're comparing to your medical record. So 621529. Sorry, 5529. Palo Alto. When you make the appointments with them, they'll tell you what to remember. That pretty much this is what you need to know, and that Dr. Fang is the doctor on the labels.
Is that the DOG thing? Oh, it says dog, cat.
Every single one has a separate item on it. So for example, it has trees.
But what if I'm never around cats? Why do I need a cat one?
This is what was mixed with when you had your visit with the doctor.
Okay.
You probably reacted.
Yeah, but I have a dog, not a cat. So why would I do the cat one?
Because you probably reacted to cats.
Oh, well, yeah, but I reacted to like everything. So I'm only getting 3 then.
Not everything. Not everything we test for.
Well, like most of it. Grass, pollen, dust, right? I don't know. Is there a different shot for each one?
No, we combine a lot of the items into vials. Yeah. Some people get 4. They have 4 vials, so we get 4 shots.
Okay.
It's okay. I'll do that. I'll get another one.
Okay, so like it says dog, but it probably has all the other things in it. Is that what you're saying? Like dust, pollen.
B has grass, dogs, and AP dog, dust mites, cats. So these are the items that we have on here.
Oh, what's T?
Trees.
Oh, okay. So that also includes like pollen. All pollen.
The tree pollens.
Okay.
Okay. Are you okay with getting that shot?
Yeah, no, I just didn't. I was like, oh, if that's only cats, I would never run cats, so I don't want to get a shot if I don't have to, right?
Not just that.
Okay.
Okay. So now, what I'm gonna do is we do it on the fatty area right here.
Okay.
Because that is gonna absorb less quickly as it does in the muscle. Okay, so we want that to absorb slowly. All right. So are you okay?
Yeah.
All right. We're starting at 0.5. Just gonna do 2 on the
And how many shots do I have to get total?
3.
No, I mean like for 6 months, right? Isn't it?
No, this is ongoing until you get to your maintenance dose. So, however long it takes you, then this is a really long commitment. It can take like 1 to 2 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You want my other arm?
You do the other side.
Oh, okay. So for every 2 days for 2 years?
Is that what you're saying?
I mean, I could come in every 2 days.
Can